Hi, Julie and Jessica.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
So you guys came in today to see me to quit smoking. And what were your last words coming out?
I'm ready to take a non-smoker.
All right. So, you know, you got some time ahead of you, and I understand the rubber hits the road when you're really out there. But you already have a sense that you're profoundly psychologically free from the cigarettes, right?
Correct.
How did you find the process? Was it, you had a little bit of anxiety this morning coming in? Was the anxiety warranted?
Yes.
Okay. It was warranted? Okay. But now you're free of it, right?
I'm free of it. Completely free.
All right. So, did you find the way we did this pretty easy and comfortable?
Yes, it was totally a different experience than what I was expecting. But coming in here and the experience I've had today, it just gives me a whole new perspective on life.
Okay. And so we did an exercise right up front to talk to the part of you that wants to hang on to the cigarettes or did want to hang on to the cigarettes. Did you feel free almost 15 minutes into the session?
I did.
Yeah. So those are really cool techniques, aren't they? And Julie, what's your experience right now? When you think about, maybe not ever smoking again, what's what's going through your mind?
My mind feels free. I feel more relaxed. I feel more patient. I feel as I can do anything. It's in my head.
Okay. Now, I gave you a little bonus, Julie. You're talking about you sell whitening toothpaste, and you had a couple little hang-ups, as we all do when we're going out and selling and promoting a business. Do you feel some more freedom to succeed in that arena in your life?
Oh, definitely. Now selling whitening toothpaste. Now my teeth can even be whiter with being non-smoking.
Right. Anything else you guys want to add?
Thumbs up. Come see him. He's amazing.
Yes.
Cool.
Recommend it.
Thank you. So much appreciated. You guys were great clients, and we'll see you down the road for other profound and powerful changes.
Definitely recommend.
Thanks.